Welcome and thanks for choosing us. As part of your registration, you'll be asked to complete an identity check. In this short video, we'll explain why this is required, what it involves, and how it helps protect you and the broader community. As a trust and company service provider, we help clients set up and manage companies, trusts, and other legal structures. These services play an important role in business and investment, but they can also be misused if proper safeguards aren't in place. AUSTRAC is Australia's regulator for anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing laws. Its role is to help prevent criminal activity such as money laundering, fraud, and terrorism financing. Under new reforms known as Tranche 2, AML CTF laws are being extended to businesses like ours. This means trust and company service providers must now meet the same compliance standards as banks and financial institutions. These changes align Australia with global standards set by the Financial Action Task Force. One of the key requirements under these laws is verifying the identity of our customers, also known as Know Your Customer, or KYC. Criminals may attempt to use company or trust structures to hide ownership or move illicit funds. By verifying your identity at the start, we can confirm you are who you say you are, prevent misuse of our services, comply with legal obligations, help protect your business and reputation. This is why identity verification is now a mandatory part of your registration. The process is quick and secure. You'll be asked to provide a valid photo ID, such as a driver license or passport. Take a quick selfie using your smartphone. This allows us to confirm your identity using secure digital verification technology. We understand that sharing personal information is important. Your data is handled securely and in accordance with Australian privacy laws. We only collect what is required to meet our legal obligations, and your information is protected using industry-standard security measures. Under AML CTF regulations, we're unable to provide services until your identity has been successfully verified. Completing the ID check ensures there are no delays in setting up and managing your account. While this process is a regulatory requirement, it also benefits you by reducing fraud and identity theft risks, strengthening trust in the system, ensuring a safer business environment. It's all part of building a more secure and transparent financial system. When you're ready, simply click Proceed to begin your identity check. Please have your photo ID and a smartphone with a selfie camera handy. Our system will guide you through the process step by step. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is here to help. Thanks for your cooperation and for helping us meet our regulatory obligations under AUSTRAC requirements.